Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1 then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Cd space c colon /. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows / system32 / config / regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command. bcdedit space / exports space c colon / bcd backup then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c colon / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c colon / boot / bcd space bcd.old then hit enter. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.